Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make the Greek cheese salad, which is perfect for breakfast. It's really yummy and healthy. With bread or without, it's so tasty. I like it with a cup of tea. Let's see together how we make this easy kind of salads. I'll need green olives, black olives, cucumber, tomatoes, feta cheese, sesame and black grain, and olive oil. I'm going to add the whole ingredients together. I'm going to start with feta cheese, which I cut it for pieces like this, and then the black olives, the green olives, tomatoes, cucumber, sesame and black grain, and at the end I'm going to add the olive oil. You can add wherever you want. After that, I'm going to mix the whole ingredients together. I'll mix the ingredients well together. Look at the colors, it's really amazing. I know that when you prepare this recipe, you're gonna like it because it's really tasty and delicious, especially in summer because it's so fresh. I'm going to put some salad in my dish and I'll eat it with the bread and with a cup of tea. It is perfect. If you like the recipe today, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button. I'm going to put the ingredients in the description box under the video. And if you have any questions, you can ask me and I will be happy to answer your questions. But don't worry, the recipe is so easy and you don't have to ask me any question, I'm sure. See you in a new video and a new recipe. I wish you to stay good and healthy. Bye bye.